Do you live your life in fear? Then this video is for you. There are three major fears that every human being comes across. Number one is the fear of losing our life, the fear of death. Number two is the fear of losing our respect, our status in this dunya. Number three is to lose our wealth or not having the wealth or the provision or losing the funds that we have. These are three major fears that actually engulf us. Allah SWT has given us reassurances. For number one, for the fear of death, for the fear of life, Allah SWT has clearly told us that He is the one who controls the life and death. He knows the time of our death. He knows the type of occasion of our death. Nobody else knows all three of them. So He is the one who protects our life until it's actually time for our death. Number two, He said, وَتُعِزُّ مَن تَشَاءُ وَتُذِلُّ مَن تَشَاءُ. He literally tells us that nobody can disrespect us or nobody can insult us unless Allah wills. For number three, Allah SWT has clearly given us reassurance that He is the Raziq or the Razzaq, and He is the one who controls all the provision. So we must remember, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-aliyyil azim. It should be recited, it should be understood, it should be absorbed, and it should also be implemented in our life so we can live in this dunya preparing for akhirah as freed slave of Allah SWT and only Allah SWT.